Imagine a search team looking for someone who disappeared years ago. There are no clues, no witnesses, nothing. But then a dog walks into the area, sniffs the ground, and suddenly sits down. That simple action can change everything. These specially trained dogs are called cadaver dogs, and they help investigators locate human remains that would otherwise never be found. Today, we're going to explore how these incredible dogs work, how they're trained, and why their noses are one of the most powerful tools in forensic investigations. A cadaver dog, also known as a human remains detection dog, is trained to locate the scent of decomposing human bodies. According to experts from the American Kennel Club, these dogs can detect the odor of human decomposition even when the remains are buried underground, hidden in buildings, or submerged in water. And here's what makes them so amazing. Dogs have an extremely powerful sense of smell. Their noses are built to detect tiny scent particles that humans can't even notice. Because of this, cadaver dogs can locate buried bodies, detect remains underwater, find bones years after death, identify very small traces of human tissue. In many cases, they succeed where technology fails. When a body decomposes, it releases a unique combination of chemicals into the air and soil. This creates a specific scent pattern, almost like a fingerprint. Cadaver dogs are trained to recognize that exact scent. And here's something fascinating. They can tell the difference between human remains and animal remains. So they won't alert to a dead deer, bird, or other animal. Only humans. Some highly trained dogs can even detect remains, buried several feet underground, hidden beneath concrete, inside vehicles, long after decomposition has occurred. That's why they are often used in missing person cases, criminal investigations, and disaster recovery operations. Training a cadaver dog is a long and careful process. Handlers teach the dog to search for the scent of human decomposition and reward them when they find it. Here's how a typical training exercise works. A trainer places a source containing the scent of human remains somewhere in a field. Then the dog is brought into the area. The handler gives a command, usually something simple like, "Search!" The dog begins moving through the area, using its nose to locate the odor. Once the dog finds the scent, it performs a specific signal. In many cases, the dog will sit and stay still until the handler arrives. That behavior tells investigators, the scent is here. The dog is then rewarded, often with praise or a toy. This reward system teaches the dog to repeat the behavior again and again. Over time, the dog becomes extremely accurate at locating even tiny traces of human remains. Cadaver dogs play a critical role in investigations all over the world. They help find missing persons, locate hidden graves, search disaster zones, provide evidence in criminal cases. In some situations, cadaver dogs have located remains that were buried many years earlier. They've helped investigators confirm search areas, narrow down locations, and uncover evidence that might otherwise remain hidden forever. Most importantly, they help bring answers to families who are searching for closure. That's why these dogs are considered one of the most valuable partners in forensic work.